Two sibling animation platforms. One burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Doodly, the whiteboard sketch animator. And on the right, Toonly, your cartoon explainer creator. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters. Each category racks up points. At the finale, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The outcome may surprise you. All right, here's the game plan for today's breakdown. We're going to look at 6 categories to really compare Doodly and Toonly. There's pricing and plans, animation style, ease of use, character and asset library, audio and voiceover, and of course, the actual use case where each one totally shines. So if you're juggling between sketching, cartooning, or just making something awesome for business or school, sit tight. Let's kick off with pricing and plans. So Doodly comes in with pricing that's honestly reasonable for what you get. You pay per month or year. Commercial rights are standard. You get access to their community, all that good stuff. But yeah, for pure hobbyists, the cost may feel a little high. Not gonna lie. Now, Toonly, literally the same pricing. They toss in premium support and their Toonly Club thing. But price-wise, you're basically looking at a tie here. No clear winner with wallets on this one. Next, animation style. With Doodly, what you get is that classic hand-drawn, sketch-on-whiteboard look. Glassboard, greenboard, you name it. If you want to make educational stuff or tutorials, this is honestly perfect. Seriously, nothing else looks quite like it. Downside? Well, you're kind of locked into that sketch style. Want a cartoon scene? Not happening. Now, Toonly goes the other way. It's full-on rich cartoon scenes with colorful characters and environments. If you're big on explainer videos or want to jazz up branding projects, this is super fun. But no whiteboard, no sketch vibes. For animation style, Doodly's just a bit ahead for its unique look. So yeah, Doodly takes the cake here. Ease of use. Okay, both tools are built for beginners. But with Doodly, you're honestly up and running in minutes. Drag and drop, super intuitive interface. Not a ton of bells and whistles, but great for just getting the job done. You do lose a little creative control, though. Custom animations aren't really a thing. Toonly, on its end, also has drag and drop and is pretty gentle on the learning curve. The animated actions make things easy to spice up, but you have to remember, there's no autosave. It'll only save if you do it manually. And let's be real, who hasn't lost their work that way? It's not a big deal, but still, Doodly jumps ahead for sheer simplicity and peace of mind. Oh, random fun fact! Did you know both Doodly and Toonly are made by the exact same company? Like, they're sibling tools. So if you're feeling indecisive, hey, it's kind of a family feud between these products. Next up, character and asset library. Doodly hands you about 200 characters, with a handful that have unique poses, and like 200 props and images. Not bad, but when you peek at Toonly, it's a totally different story. They've packed over 68 cartoon characters, with hundreds of backgrounds, facial expressions, way more props, 1,700 plus images. Like, you might get lost scrolling. Downside, the assets are all in-house, so don't expect stock photos if that's your jam. But for character variety, Toonly blows Doodly out of the water here. All right, let's talk audio and voiceover. With Doodly, you get a neat 20 royalty-free music tracks. It's fine, but pretty basic. So if you're mixing things up, you'll feel it. Meanwhile, Toonly, oh, and here's something cool. Toonly gives you access to up to 142 background audio tracks. Plus, you can toss in your own custom voiceovers super easily and drag and drop soundtracks like a breeze. Only thing missing? No direct auto-syncing of audio with scenes. Still, for audio features, Toonly is totally the winner. You know, if you want options, you'll notice this. Now, use case. Doodly is pretty much tailor-made for education, tutorials, even those quick product intros. When you want your viewers to learn something step by step, it's perfect. Not so much for fancy branding stories, though. Toonly flips the script. It's killer for branding, advertising, business explainers, anything where you want animated flair and vivid scenes. Downside, sometimes it's almost too dynamic for straightforward instructional content. Honestly here, I'd say it's a tie. Depends on your project vibe. Before I wrap up, here's how it all stacks up visually. You can see Doodly taking the lead when it comes to animation style and ease of use, but Toonly absolutely dominates in character variety and audio punch. Pricing and use case, basically neck and neck. It's really about which strengths matter most to you. So, bottom line, if your goal is educational videos, tutorials, or you just love that sketch-style magic, Doodly's really the best pick. But if you want colorful explainer videos for branding or a lively business story, Toonly's the way to go. Both have quirks, both can look amazing. The ultimate winner kind of depends on what you need, but hey, you can't go wrong if you pick based on your style. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.